Welcome to AR Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and today we are at Mountain Home Auto Ranch, and my project is to hide the back room and make it look pretty. So what we did, this is actually a glass door, a garage door, and we wrapped it up with the Phototex fabric material. And the reason why we're using that Phototex fabric material is because it's very, very easy to put on and take off, and it's reusable. And also, in the morning time, when the light shines through here, it'll illuminate, and it's very, very cool. So this is the product right here. So you can see how it comes off, and it's reusable. So you can put it right back off and on. And on the other side, it's more of a white background. So you can see, kind of see what you're looking at like that. And this is where we're trying to hide, is the back room. We're just trying to make it look, a little bit better. But if you want to order any material, like the Phototex fabric material, is $7.50 a square foot, and I can make it as big as you want. Alright, if you've got any comments or questions, comment down below, and if you like my channel, subscribe to us, and because we're always updating new stuff. Alright. Well, my name is Randy Miller, and I will catch you later.